In this video, I'm going to show you a very important trade setup that is already playing itself out on the USDJPY, and also I'll do a quick weekly breakdown on the Euro USD. As you can see right here, the market moved from this very point all the way upward, and as a result of the CPI data, is this market going to still move up into this very point? We're going to be discussing all of these in this very video. So watch this video to the very end. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. Right here on the USDJPY, like I said in one of my videos, I told you guys that momentum is gradually reducing around this very area, which is very important. We see market move all the way from this point to this area, and then we see this consolidation, market move upward, and then come back to the downside with this aggressive bearish move. And then after this aggressive bearish move, market move upward and could not create a new high higher than the previous high at this very area. What that means is that the bulls are gradually losing strength in moving the market upward, and the bears are going to take control of the market and begin to move the market to the downside. And this is very, very important and crucial to us as traders, because momentum is gradually shifting hand from the bulls to the bears. So I am still expecting the bears to still move this market from where it is right now to the downside. And as you can see as well, you discover that the market has been moving all the way upward all this while, and the market needs a good correction on USDJPY before it will continue that movement to the upside. So what I am expecting right now is for the market to move downward, and that is very, very important. And if you look at the 4-hour chart right here, there is a trade opportunity that I talked about in one of my previous videos, and I said it would be a nice thing to do to short the market once we see the breakout of this very level, and afterward market move to the downside. So if you took this very trade, congratulations. Now another trade is actually playing itself out right here, as you can see on this very chart. Look at it here. Market move all the way from this very point upward and then move down, did not create a new low. It does not also create a new high at this very point. What I am expecting is market to come back down. And then if you look at the way market was moving upward, market is having reduced momentum moving to the upside. The same thing we see right at this very point. So it means that market is still going to come back to the downside. So what I am expecting on the USDJPY 4-hour chart, as we resume the market on Monday, we should see the market begin to sell off to the downside. That means the bears should take control of the market to the downside. So this very level of resistance is a critical level you need to pay attention to at this very point right here. I am expecting that the market will move a little bit upward. That is my expectation. Market should move from here where it is right now at this price level of 155.64. Market should move upward, and then from this very area we should see the market begin to move to the downside. So what you should pay attention to is when the market move into this area of resistance and then come out of this very price level of 156.12, that is the time you can think of shorting the market, that is placing a sell trade on USDJPY. The first thing is, as we resume the market on Monday, wait for the market to move, that is my expectation, into this very area. And then as the market begins to come out of this very zone, as we cross this very price level of 156.12, then it will be a nice area to take a sell position from for the market to move to the downside. So right now on USDJPY, don't look for buy opportunity. Rather, it will be wise for you to look for sell opportunity to the downside. And remember, you always ensure you manage your risks. Okay, that means as market begin to move downward, and your stop loss obviously should be above this very level of resistance right here as you take the trade at this very point. Why, as the market move downward, your first target have to be at this very area for 1 to 2 risk reward, and your second target have to be at this very point of support. Okay, so this is very, very important as we resume the market on Monday next week. So pay attention to this, guys. This is what I am expecting on the USDJPY 4-hour chart. And if you look at the 1-day chart, Euro USD, it is covered that after the CPI data, the market has been moving upward. We have a progressive move to the upside from this very area on Monday, and then we come to Tuesday, and then on Wednesday we see this very big move to the upside as a result of the CPI data, and market begin to have a little decline right at this point. I am still expecting this market to push into this very level on the 1-day chart, Euro USD. This is my own personal expectation. Okay, so if you are looking at the same thing, comment below right now in the comment section of this very video. So I am looking at the market moving upward and then create a possible new high. Then from this very point right here of resistance, we will see the market begin to move back to the downside for a correction. So once we can see the market move up and create a new high, higher than the previous high at this very area, then it means that the market is beginning to change direction. That means we should expect the market to begin to move upward. So we have to wait for that new high to be created at this very point as we resume the market on Monday next week. So this is very, very important, guys. You need to pay attention to this very area where the chart is right now of 1.0867. Market should move upward a little bit into this very area and create a possible new high. This is what I am expecting. And then if you look at the 4-hour chart, something very important here is that the market is at a very nice level of important resistance, and we have seen a reaction from this very area of resistance. If you look at it, market move from this very area from here upward and then come back to the downside, and right now market is beginning to move upward. This is very, very important. Now what I am expecting on this very chart, since we've been seeing the market creating new highs, as you can see right here, from this very point of support, market move upward, creates this very high, and then come back to the downside higher than here, and then we see the market move upward, and then we see retracement, we see the market move upward again, and then we see retracement right now. What I am expecting is for the market to continue this little retracement downward a little bit, and then after that very retracement, market is going to still push back to the upside. I am expecting that market move to the upside after this little drop we're going to see as we resume the market on Monday. So my expectation is that you pay attention to buying the market on Euro USD. So instead of selling the market from this very point to the downside, it will be wise for you to trade in line with the trend, because the trend right now is signifying that the market is going to move to the upside, since that is what we've been seeing. So expect a drop, and then market is going to continue this movement to the upside. So what you need to do is to figure out when the retracement have ended in the market within this very zone of support right here. Then afterward, market is going to move to the upside. So look for buy opportunity on Euro USD, which is very important, and that buy opportunity is in line with what I talked about on the 1-day chart, because I am still expecting this market to push back to the upside. So since we are still expecting this market to push back to the upside, it is wise for you to trade in line with the higher time frame. Even though the lower time frame is signifying that the market is going to come back down, this coming back down is just a retracement, and the market is going to move back up again in line with this upward movement. So this is what you must have to consider as we resume the market on Monday for the next week of trading. So this is very important, guys. You need to pay attention to this and see how this apply and work in your strategy. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. If you're not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. Thanks for watching.